Hello YouTube, we're going to clean up this double bit axe. It's pretty bad. It's been laying in my shop. It's moldy looking on the wood. I cannot tell you what it's made by right now. It could be true temper, it could be whatever. This belonged to my dad. I used this when I was a kid, so that's how long I've had this thing. Or been around it, I should say. I've had it for quite a few years. I've had it for many years. I doubt I can remove the head, which I don't care to. We might be doing some things like a little bit of super glue epoxy. I don't think I'm ever going to use it, but we will be sanding the wood down and sanding the metal. So we'll eventually be able to tell you what the name is. There you go. I want to give you a good before look. The handle might just be sprayed with some clear gloss. I may just put some linseed oil on it. We haven't decided yet. It's probably, if it's just on a display, it'd probably just be oil on the wood. If I was going to use it, I might actually spray some gloss on the thing so it's waterproof. Which oil is waterproof till it dries out. You gotta oil wood, you gotta oil it regularly. But yeah, the name is down in here. So stay tuned. This won't be a big long video. That way I can get more pictures and less talk. So stay tuned. We'll be back when we have it all done. Take a few pictures in between of each part. Okay, we got the lighting the best we can. I'm guessing this is a true temper. Let me look, find a pointer. I'm guessing this used to be the word true. True temper, Flint edge, Kelly works, and I took a picture. I'll try to make it look better when I post the video. So there we are so far. We've sanded the handle down. This will be painted black. So we're on to getting this painted. It'll be dry. Tomorrow I can come out and do something on the wood. It'll probably be linseed oil. See where I sanded that? Yeah, we're not taking this apart. It's probably going to be display only. I doubt I'll ever use this old thing. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. It's done. That's semi-gloss black. A little shiny, got some oil on it. We'll take a picture of the can. It's pure raw linseed oil. It's not boiled. And we put a little mineral spirit so it evaporates quicker. So we've got 3 coats on there. Kind of old looking wood there, huh? We got 3 coats. At least 3 coats on there. So there you go. This is the side that's got the writing on it. We'll leave you a couple pictures. Thanks for watching.